Okay, carpet cleaning world, it's official. Cleaners Connect administration, Courtney Lee, will be at the Carpet Cleaning World University event on May 5th and 6th, also known as Cinco de Mayo, which is the holiday, right? So at anything, Courtney, if you can see this, if you can hear me, it'd be great if you could join me. Let me see if I can send you an invite. But we know Courtney's working, so he may not be able to join me, and that's fine. Listen, now, if you guys were ever wondering about Cleaners Connect and the carpet cleaning world, finally, after all these years, we are uniting. I'm hoping Chandler Thompson, another part of the administration of Cleaners Connect, will also join us. That would just make perfection, because a lot of you that are in the carpet cleaning world are also in Cleaners Connect. A lot of you that are in Cleaners Connect are also in the carpet cleaning world. So there is no reason that you should not be at this event at the Restoration Technical Institute in Reading, Pennsylvania, 2.5 weeks away from now. You can register today. You can call me. You can inbox me. We'll get the registration stuff over to you. You pay for your registration. It's only $94 a night for the stay at the Hampton Inn that we have arranged for you. A lot of you, because it's 2 days, are only going to need to stay for one night. So that's $94. That's less than $100 to stay and enjoy the brotherhood with all the carpet cleaning world members. Johnny Johnson will be there. Chris Jones will be there. Jason Anderson will be there. Ron Yule will be speaking there. Sammy Sales, Steam Action Sammy Sales will be there. DeAndre Winston, Soap Daddy's DeAndre Winston will be there. And so many more. But now we have Ron Yule as our guest speaker. We have Courtney Lee as our guest speaker. And we have a couple more secret guest speakers. But you got to be there to know. HydraMaster is sending a ton of samples for you to take home. So you get free chemical. Soap Daddy's giving away a gift basket of $500, but no coatings and no sealers. So it'll be pre-sprays and detergents and pet treatments and things like that. But you need them because you're getting ready to go to work. You need this stuff. Sammy Sales from Steam Action. Oh, man. Truck mounts. He's giving away something. I don't know what he's giving away, but he sells truck mounts. Last time in January, somebody went home with a OP low moisture machine. Like, are you kidding me right now? Listen, I think Rotovac is giving away something. I think we're going to have Clean Right portables there if you're a portable user. They're one of the better machines. Now, I know there's other brands out here, but you got to wait a half a year and then they're not built well and things like that. So, you know, we want you to know what's out here that also gives you great customer service. You know, there's a lot of companies now in the last couple years since the pandemic are under new management. And trust me, it is not the same. There's these guys that bought these companies out that once were family owned and beloved by the industry. Now they're just falling to the wayside because the owner just doesn't care. But that's a different story. But this is why you want to be at an event like this, because of the brotherhood, and know what's out here that you can have, what you can buy, but nothing more. You're also going to have marketing that's second to none. You're going to learn business practices that are second to none. You're going to walk away with a Carpet Cleaning World University certification. No, that's not an IIC certification. It's not. That doesn't mean anything. Your customers don't even know what IICRC is. Only we do. But if you tell your customer that if they say, well, why should I hire you? Why should I pay you more money than Joe Blow up the street? He said he would do it cheaper. Now you can whip out your portfolio your Carpet Cleaning World laminate certification that says, well, I'm certified by the Carpet Cleaning World University. I've experienced and been taught about all methods of carpet cleaning known to man today. That is impressive, especially to a woman. She just wants to know if you have anything in your arsenal that can prove that you're a little bit better. So you're going to walk away with your certification by the Carpet Cleaning World University, that you're experienced in all methods of carpet cleaning. This is $249. It's a 2-day event. We have unlimited soft drinks. We have tacos and beer to honor Cinco de Mayo on that Thursday. Friday, I know my wife, Janae, she's going to go all out like she did at the class in January, and she's going to have a huge lunch for you on Friday. But then Thursday night, oh man, at the Hampton Inn, all of us are going to come together as a brotherhood. We're going to talk about what we learned from the event during the daytime. You can get Sammy Sales' ear by itself if you want to know about steam action truck mounts. You can get DeAndre Winston's ear by yourself if you really want to learn about chemistry and chemicals. You can get the old fogey Roger Lloyd by himself if you want to have some real ideas on marketing your business so you can see growth. But if nothing less, when you leave here, you will know how to make $1,500 a week guaranteed if you listen to me. $1,500 a week. That is $6,000 that are you're guaranteed monthly. Can anybody else tell you that they can guarantee to teach you how to make no less than $6,000 a month? Oh, you can make more than that, but you won't make less than that. $6,000 is with you, not your wife, not your spouse. You will be bringing in every week if you come here and you listen to what I'm going to teach you. This works for newbies. This works for existing cleaners. This works for some of the veteran cleaners that still aren't guaranteed to bring in $1,500 per week. It's a guarantee if you follow the strategy. It's up to you. It always was. But Courtney Lee, I guess he's busy, so he won't be able to join me. But he will be there on May 5th and 6th at our Carpet Cleaning World University event. Johnny Johnson, Chris Jones, Sammy Sales, DeAndre Winston, Jason Anderson, and I think even TJ Lucy from the Carpet Advisors is trying to come. This is one event that you do not want to miss. And you can't even lie and say you can't afford it. It's $249. We have it set up at the Hampton Inn for $94 a night. You need to call me now so you can get registered. You need to call me now so I can give you the link to the Hampton Inn so you can book your room. And then if you got to fly, we had one guy in January come all the way from Oregon. We had guys come from Detroit. We had guys come from Chicago. We had guys coming from Alabama in the snowstorm in January. And not one of them regretted coming. 2 of them are even coming back. I'll be waiting for your phone call. Hey, Courtney, I'll see you there, my brother. We're going to do our thing. We're going to get a good handshake and a good photo to put in the Carpet Cleaning World and Cleaners Connect so they can see the Carpet Cleaning World and the Cleaners Connect unite. Thank you, and I'll be waiting to hear from you guys. You got to hurry up. We only have a few seats left. We're not going to be all crowded in there and can't breathe. We got good air conditioning and everything, but we want the guys that want better for themselves, not the contamination that plagues our industry. We want the guys that want better for yourself. I'll be waiting for your phone call. Master Jasper, I see you're watching. Craig Jasper, everyone. He was one of my mentors and still is. Thank you, and I'll see you guys in the next one.